Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I want to talk about the 4x100 meter relays, and as you guys can see, my prediction came through. United States won and Jamaica got a silver. I talked about this in my other video. I'll link that below, but I want to talk about Shelly and Fraser Pryce getting a injury in the 4x100 meters. And shout out to Shelly because she is the GOAT. She made sure that we got a medal and ran with her injury. So it says, and this is from the sports brief, Shelly and Fraser Pryce is understood to have picked up an injury in the middle of the 4x100 relay race. Jamaica finished second to the United States again, with Shakara Richardson pulling away in the anchor leg. Elaine Thompson-Herah was surprisingly omitted from Jamaica's final team. Jamaica's final relay team failed to reclaim the 4x100 meter race as the United States of America ran a championship record to defeat the gold they won on home soil last year. It was a battle of wits, pitting the newly crowned 100-meter champion Shakara Richardson and two-time 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson anchoring their teams. Jamaica also had the more formidable five-time world 100-meter champion Shelly and Fraser Pryce in the second leg, with Natasha Morrison and Sasha Lee Forbes filling in other spots. Richardson was joined by 200-meter silver medalist in Budapest Gabby Thompson, Tamaria Davis, Tawanisha Terry, and she is also known as TT Terry. And like I said on social media yesterday, Morrison and Forbes, that they replaced Brianna and Elaine with, do not have the experience and do not have the development to go against Gabby and TT Terry at all. So I don't understand why they put Morrison and Forbes against those two athletes. Yes, they need the experience and yes, they need to run, but relay teams are made of the best of the best. Morrison and Forbes did not medal in their individual sports. So why they pull Elaine and Brianna out, I have no idea. Because if you guys don't remember, Brianna, Elaine, Shericka, and Shellyanne was the relay team that broke the world record. They have been doing relay team together for years. So obviously they know what they're doing. They know how to get the baton around the field. So why they switched it up in Budapest, I have no idea. That is something the coaches will have to talk about when they go to Jamaica, because Jamaican people are definitely going to question why they did what they did and how was it beneficial to the relay team, especially for a world championship title. For the past years, Jamaica and the United States have been going back and forth as to who win the relay for both men and women. So this change now shows something is going on within the relay teams in Jamaica. With that being said, I hope Shellyanne gets well soon. I hope that she is going to get her rest for Paris 2024 and she come back kicking and she's well healed and ready for Paris 2024, because I think Paris 2024 is where Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is going to announce her retirement. She's 37 years old. In Paris, she will be 38. And after this injury in Budapest, I think she is probably going to slow it down and then just prepare for Olympics. Let that be her last Olympics. Leave being the legendary sprinter that she is, bow out gracefully and keep it moving, because Once you start getting injuries and you start getting older, especially in something like track and field, they tend to hamper your progress, hamper how fast you can run, how long you can go, your endurance. If you guys remember in 2015, um, 1 year before Usain's last Olympics, he also had a injury in Worlds, and he had to basically get himself healthy for his last Olympics. And as you guys saw what happened in the Olympics, because he was injured, he didn't get the medals he wanted. Needless to say, I hope Pocket Rocket is fine. I hope she is going to be okay. And one other thing I have to add, I hope they're not trying to use Shelly-Ann's knee injury or strain that she had during this relay for the foolishness that they kept up with the 4x100 meter relay team. I hope they're not trying to play in Jamaica's people's face with what's going on and try sweeping what happened underneath the rug, because we are not going to have it. We need people to be held accountable. We need answers, and we need to understand why they put up two girls that are definitely no match for TT Terry, Richardson, or Gabby, and did not medal in their individual sport or their individual games, but took out fresh legs. Elaine Thompson and Brianna didn't run any individual sports, so it would have been best for them to run the relay because their legs are fresh, they're not tired. Running multiple events, whether that be World Championship or Olympics, it's a hard feat. So why did they do that? I have no idea, and I hope they're not trying to use that as an excuse to play in the spectators or Jamaica's face and using Shelly Ann as a scapegoat, because if that's what they're gonna try to do, they're gonna have even more of a harder time convincing Jamaicans and sport fans that there isn't favoritism in the way that they're picking these teams and picking who participates in these events. So with that being said, I hope Shelly Ann get ready for Paris. I hope she recovers well. We love her. We appreciate her running that race, even though she was injured. That is a real champion. She is a lioness, okay? She did that. And that shows you that women women are strong as hell. And whatever we put our mind to, we will get it done. So with that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.